today we got something different. Blue tape front. What we got in the box? We got computer, tech, cryptocurrency.
Oh, that'll be awesome.
That'll be awesome. Full of cryptocurrency. No, today we got something different. Today we got review and food. Food in the box. Delivered to your house. Begin now. How you doing, everyone? This is W from MEDIABOXENT Blockchain. And Medina, what we got today?
Today we have a nice dinner from Blue Apron. What is good from here is that you have everything set, so you can still have a nice and romantic dinner at home, and you can cook it together.
Right. So if you are a busy person, you have no time to do shopping, and they want you to...
You get everything just in your door.
Can deliver that every day, and always have different menus you can choose on it. So let's see, today we're going to be cooking today, the Sunday.
You know what?
So
I don't even remember.
I know. That's surprise. So we do the surprise as we do. Yeah, they give you all the... It comes with all the everything included, right? Pepper, whatever you need, whatever it requires you to do the food, and so you can do a nice romantic dinner. Even they can deliver you wine as well. So we're gonna be trying this food in the box to see what we're gonna make. And in the end of this video, you're gonna be slice some of the pictures what we did. So we're gonna change in cameras and let's review it. Let's see what we get. So let's open. By the way, with that special knife, Medina, I like this knife. If my friend sees I'm opening a box with this knife, you're supposed to use it with meal. You know what will happen, right? So, let's see what we get here. So, let's see. So that's the meal for today. A steak and brown butter sauce. And as you see here, I give you an example. Not an example, show you, the steak to all the things you need. All right, so let's turn this over. And they show you step by step how we're going to be doing the cooking and where in the end the place should look like. So definitely we're going to do this. The only thing, since we are in a keto diet, we're going to have to replace a few of these things, right, Menina?
Yeah, what does it have?
We have a steak.
Good.
And we have
okay, we cannot eat any starches. Only
So that's the only thing. So that's the only thing I would like to see from this company. I would like to see some keto menu, some nice fat menus, because a keto diet requires 80% fat, 5% carbs from vegetables, and then 15% proteins. So I would love that. They have all that. They have vegan too, right? They got vegan, vegetarian. They have that. The only thing that, and that's the only thing. And tell you what the wine it is. So we're gonna be making some of the changes, but this is the plate that we should look into the end. And I think the steak will be for me, Menina, today. Let me see what the other one is. Oh, chicken. Oh, this one's good. So in this one, we get all the things you're gonna put on it. We got broccoli. We get the piece of chicken, the sauce. We're gonna be escaping the potato. So imagine that we're going to be skipping that only because it's top of that we're doing now. But give you also all the things. And chipotle pena, we can use some of those. And in the end, how you're going to be doing the cooking. So it looks pretty cool. Give instruction. And again, as you go, you will be clicking on it. So, and it's cool. It's cool. I like the way it is, because I send you these recipes. It will give you a lot of ideas. I mean, if you want to make it out of the box, means something different.
You want to think out of the box. You can also cook out of the box.
Yeah, you can cook out of the box. So now what is nice, because they're shopping for us. So let's see what we get. Actually, some people saving this, right, Menina? They say they're saving the. You can
they're saving. Yeah, they're saving the silver thing because they use it to take stuff to the beach too. It's actually cooler.
Yeah, it comes with ice and everything. Well, maybe the ice will melt because we keep it on the fridge. Yeah. So let's see what we get. So here we got the broccoli. As is here, comes already what you need on the plate. And believe me, it's a lot of food, right, Menina? I mean, we notice.
Even though we took out of the, even though I know we're gonna take out
the starches,
all the starches, still it is a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot of food. I think it's a lot of food. It is what you need to eat. Yes. So in this case here, they bring you all the things you need. The special cream and everything. This salt now, right? No salt.
No, you
But
have to
all
have
the
salt
things you
oil.
will need to one other place. We have to see. This I think is cheese. So we have to see. We'll tell you what it is. 'Cause this is, remember, this for 2 people. So you gotta see what it is for. But will be for one of the meals. Just picking it without. Okay. Oh, and this one, let me see. Oh, apple cider vinegar, and I think there's a cheese, and some instructions there. Again, as you see there. Oh, that's to make that's to make the steak, the brown butter sauce. That looks. Oh, that's butter, and the butter you see is supposed to be not organic, but the way they do in Europe, right?
Yes.
Oh, rosemary.
Oh,
that's
seriously,
pretty
we have a
Well,
tree
no.
of rosemary.
Yeah, we use it. I know we have a tree of rosemary. We use that one. That's the tree. Now the potatoes. As you see, plenty of potatoes. The only problem if you're in keto, you have to skip the potatoes. But if you're not keto, that will be the perfect thing for you. Always in the top and the back. After that will be ice. So you have also
Oh, normally meat is under the ice.
under there. Yes. The carrot again. If you're in keto, we'll skip the carrots.
Yeah, I'm free. Yeah.
And more potato. One is red potato, one potato. Depends what you're going to be doing the cooking. What else is there? Oh,
Well,
garlic.
oh, and so they also ship bottles of wine if you want
Yeah,
to.
yeah, the garlic always comes with the head, so you can always use the garlic for something
I
else.
love garlic.
And then now, sorry about that. So here, so here is the eye. So here's the steak. Now the steak is grass-fed steak. I will give you good credit for that. Yes.
Huge plus. C
Yeah,
plus
it's
plus.
a good
Yes.
credit for that.
When
The
I
sirloin
noticed
steak,
that, I was
Yeah.
actually impressed when I
the
noticed it
biggest
was
steak.
organic.
I mean, it's bigger than the hand because normally the way we eat,
Way less than that.
we eat about a hand of because you know we super
palm.
protein either. Once again, that we talk about keto, but this is a good size steak. And if you're in keto, that's a lot. Actually, you're supposed to eat half of that, and 2 people can eat this. But today we're gonna do special and we eat the steak. So today, Menina, that's my choice, the steak.
Oh my god! So what do I get? Oh, the chicken.
Oh, so we see here the premium steak, the chicken. That's a big steak. Look, this is pretty big compared. So it's a healthy big play. You will be full in the end. And do we got anything else? The ice. And I think this I can pick. Can I see it below the camera? I see the money. And so I think it looks pretty cool. What we're going to do once again, we're going to show you the end play. We're going to be change a little bit, but only because the way we eat is a little different. But we're going to be using the steak. We're going to use a lot of the stuff. We're going to skip the potato, but I think in the end, like I said before, this is like a huge portion. So let's try to, in the end, just show you the pictures, what things will look like. Let me know. Leave a comment in this video. The only thing I will say, I would love to see this company create a menu, because they do have a menu for vegan, they do have a menu for vegetarian, and regular menu that what we see now. If they have those 3, well, I think a keto is a big thing right now.
Yeah.
And it's a new healthy way to eat. So I would say that I would love to
That would
see.
be the healthiest.
Yeah, but that's
Yeah.
okay. But that depends on what we see in it. But I would love to see, in my case, for my choice, I would like to see a keto friendly menu. All right, Menina, take care.
Okay, bye.